Knitpal yarn. Casey, who is the owner of this website, asked me to do a review on her yarn. So shortly I'm going to show you the yarn that she made for me and do a review on it. A little bit about the site. All the information is listed down below in the description, and you can get your $10 off on your first order over $49.50. Also, the promo code for $10 off is ForAmysFriends, which is listed down below. You can also do Amy15 for 15% off any order size. It expires January 31st. She's closed for the holidays between December 28th through January 12th. Orders received before the 24th will be shipped by the 28th, and the rest of them will be shipped in January. I'm going to list all that information down below if you want more information on it. So this is her website. She has many different colors. To tell you how she got started, she sent me an email and told me about it. She wanted me to share. A few years ago, while getting ready to knit an item for her best friend, who is a supporter of his school team, she went looking for colors for the school he supported online. When she couldn't find a yarn brand that would tell the color of the yarn 100% sure, she decided she wanted to dye the wool herself. So her dyeing studio was created. She currently has a combination for 30 plus schools, small or big. She can do any custom order. She did a custom order for me for the colors black and orange for my daughter's school colors. She's also in the midst of campaigning for kids that don't have much in the Pine Ridge Reservation, and she's donating 3 pairs of kid socks with every order received, and the goal is to donate a few hundred pairs for Christmas. So here's an example. This is the color of black and gold for Iowa, and you can do fingering DK worsted, quantity 1, $56. Shipping is calculated at checkout. 100% merino. The origin is in Highlands, Peru. The ply is 3, the skein is 3.5 ounces. The yard is 490 yards. And it just goes on and tells you about the DK for fingering. DK is the skein is 4, ply is 4, worsted is 4, skein is 3.5 ounces. And I'm going to show you the color she made for me in the video soon. Also, if you'd like to come here, her other part of her website is she's doing a second annual Knitpal Valentine's Day Giveaway. I'm going to put that down below, that link, and you can fill out all this information and participate in the second annual Knitpal Valentine's Day Giveaway. And you can read about all of this. So that is what Knitpal is all about. All my information will be down below this video, and I'm going to show you the 2 colors she made for me for my daughter and tell you more about that. Okay, so let's see what the yarn that she made for me.
Okay, so this is the yarn that she colored for me. This is the orange one because my kids' school colors are orange and black, and as you can tell by the tag, it's 100% fine merino, worsted weight, 218 yards, 4 to 5 inches stitches per inch, and gentle machine or hand wash cold flat. So merino from Peru, hand dyed in Moorpack, California, orange. It's very bright, pretty orange. She made sure to give me 3 options to choose from to match as closely as she could, and she did a wonderful job. It's pretty soft yarn and has a nice texture to it. It's very pretty. I definitely recommend this yarn, and it's great for like college, if you're looking for college colors, or also elementary or middle school. This is the color for my daughter's colors orange and black. And it says, "Thank you. We hoped you enjoy your purchase. All of our yarn is crafted with an obsessive attention to perfectly match your team color. We love to hear from you or see your pictures." And this is knitpal.com. Okay, and this is the black one, True Black. It's basically the same, except for just the color is different. And this is black. In person, it is very black. On camera, it might look a little dark blue, but it's not. It's actually very black. So she matched it perfectly, and the texture of the yarn is really nice. So like I said, all of her yarn is hand dyed to match your team colors. And I'm sure even if you're not looking for a team color, she can match a color. If you're looking for a certain color, she can match it, I'm sure, perfectly. And you get the two different colors, and they look great together for orange and black. She did a great, wonderful job. Highly recommend her. This is a great idea for matching team colors. And so what she asked me to do next is she wanted me to make something with this. So that will be my next video. I do have an idea, but I want it to be a surprise. So look out for that. I will have a video out soon to show you how nice it looks with the yarns, how nice the pattern will look. Okay, so all of her information is down below, and she wanted me to do a review for this. So this is really just a review, and I hope I did the review nicely and did it justice for her. She was so nice to give me this yarn to do a review, and all her information, like I said, is below, down below in the description, so you can take a look and tell me what you think, and if this is something you'd be interested in. And look out for those promo codes that are listed down below as well. And I hope you enjoyed, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and thank you for watching.